Buongiorno.
Buon compleanno, Marivic. Ciao.
Happy birthday, Vic. Welcome to the senior world. Kung sa Pilipinas pa, discount.
Uli na, kaya kan maka-avail na ka na 20% discount din.
Happy birthday, Vic. Tana, tagaan ka ni Lord ng overflowing blessings, more graces, and long, long life. Tana, Vic, magkita kita sa February, sa wedding ni Debbie. Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Vic.
Happy birthday, Lola Vic.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marivic.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Marivic from Ciclista Boys. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Vic. Kuha na kau. Para sa tao, ako dual, ikaw triple citizen kau. Kuman, okay. Pilipina, Amerikana, silang senior. Okay, happy birthday, Otto.
Hello, Vic. Happy birthday. Kumusta ka mo diha? Tanatagan pa ko ng taas, pang kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Amping ka mo diha, Vic. Salamat sa tanan. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Auntie. God bless. We miss you.
Happy birthday! From the Almogel family, Marivic, happy birthday. God bless you and your family.
Hi, Ninang Vic. Wishing you happy birthday, Ninang. And I always pray to God na tagaan ka ni Diyo good health always sa imo pang adlaw-adlaw diha. O salamat tanan, Ninang, sa imo tagpang share na blessing sa amo. O continuous support as always. Tapos, ma-enjoy ni mo birthday ko man. And, see you soon. Tana, makauli ka mo diri pohon. O makabanding na sad ka mo namo. O tana, para sad makarelax ka sa imo. Per me na 16 hours. And thank you, Ninang tanan. And I love you and happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Marivic. We wish you more birthdays to come. Happy, healthy life ahead.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marivic. Salamat sa imo pagkamaradyaw sa amo. Sukad pa ang bata pagajud kami hangtod kuman. Waya gajud gyapon paglubad. Unta magmalipayon ka sa imo birthday ug everyday. Stay healthy kay ang mga travel. Love you, Auntie. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Vic. Happy 60th birthday.
Hi, Vic.
Yes, for those who don't know, Marivic and I have been friends even before Kemi was born. So it's been a long time. And Louie, I guess, since Marivic still single.
Still single. And my mom and her mom are friends in Surigao.
So we've been friends for a long time, and we're so happy to have Marivic as a really good friend of mine. And we're so glad we're able to celebrate her 60th birthday today. Vic, we wish you all the best, good health, and many more blessings because you deserve it. You're such really a great person. Happy 60th!
Happy 60th! Happy birthday!
Bye!
Happy 60th birthday! We love you! Hope to see you soon!
Ninang, ito yung gift namin sa'yo. In-order namin siya sa Italy kaso papadala na lang namin dyan para makuha mo. So parang blessing siya from galing kay Pope. Ayun. Happy birthday!
Hi to the Marivic, happy 60th birthday. We wish you good health and many more blessings.
And we appreciate everything you've done for us and our family.
We love you!
From the Ong family.
Hi te, happy birthday. Salamat to te sa tanang tabang nimo sa amo. Wishing you all the best ng mga to.
Hello nang Marivic, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Marivic. Wishing you more birthdays to come.
May God grants whatever your heart desires.
Have a blast.
Hi, Tita. Wishing you the happiest 60th birthday. Growing up, I always felt super cared for and welcomed by you and Cameron and Tito Mark. You weren't just my mom's friend, you were like a second mom to me. And I hope this milestone year is full of celebration and good health. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita.
God bless and wish you luck in life and more blessings to come.
Mary Vic, Tita, Tontine, as we say in French, wishing you a happy birthday. So grateful and thankful to have you in my life. You guys have been like an adoptive family to me and kept me fed while I'm away from mine. Wishing you all the best. Joyeux anniversaire. Mwah.
Hi Tia, it's Anthony here. I just wanted to get on and wish you a very special happy 60th birthday. I wanted to thank you for everything you've ever done for me and the friend group, from having us over for parties, making us food, or just letting us relax in the basement of your home. It really means a lot to me and to the rest of the friend group that you allowed us in at such a young age and nurtured us. And I just wanted to thank you for that, and thank you for everything you've ever done for me. Have a great day today. I love you. And bye, Tia.
Happy birthday, mahal kita!